Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the baby girl love signatures. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell and please not turn on like. Okay, for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always going by to watch my videos. Okay, in today's episode, I want to do it. Get ready with me to work. Yes, so I'm going to show my skincare routine, morning routine, and I'm going to show you guys how I prepare. So stay tuned. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, and please like this video. Please like it. Please, I'm begging you, like my video and make sure you watch the end of the video. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. I love you. Bye bye. Do have a nice day.